For 11.4, they give us this linear function, right? F of x equals 2s minus 3, and they want us to, substitute and see or find values for these other functions that are being transformed. So a is f of x, right, plus 2. So we're going to take f of x, which is 2x minus 3, right up here, and we're going to put it here, 2x minus 3, and then we're going to add 2, right? So we get 2x minus 1. So f of x plus 2 is 2x minus 1. I'm less concerned about, the description of the transformation. However, we could say that it shifted up 2 units, right? Because the y-intercept changed from 2 to -1. Or sorry, from -3 to -1. Okay, let's do B. And they want f of 2x, so we're going to replace x with 2x. So it used to be 2x minus 3, right? So x is now 2x. So instead of 2 times x, we're going to replace the x with 2x minus 3. We're substituting 2x in for x. So we get 4x minus 3, right? So this made the slope bigger, right? So the line is more steep. For C, they want f of x plus 2, so we're going to replace x with x plus 2 this time. So it's 2 times x, but we're going to replace it with x plus 2. And we distribute, and we get 2x plus 4 minus 3, or 2x plus 1, right? So if we look at this, this went from 2x plus 1. So it went from 2x minus 3 to 2x plus 1, right? So the y-intercept again changed, so it went up, right? It went up how many units, right? It went up 4 units, right? Up. Okay, and D, let me make space. D, we have 2 times f of x, right? So that's 2 times 2x minus 3. So if we distribute, that's 4x minus 6, right? 4x minus 6. So the slope got bigger, right? So it's steeper, right? And the y-intercept went from -3 to -6, so it went down, right? It went down 3 units.